Good morning. I just want to say that Renewed Mind Wellness is here to help assist you in your healing. If you've been divorced, if you're separated, if you've been abused, if you feel like you're rejected and you're depressed, anxiety, you have no place in life, we're here to be a support system for you. You can call us at 702-331-4484. Sometimes I forget things because, things are happening in my life, but I'm doing great. However, moving forward, we work with children, adults, females especially. We've set out some videos on females that have been abused by society. They've been raped, that kind of thing, and they want to be able to tell their story. So if you're a part of needing to get that story out of you, call us at 702-331-4484. We're doing things. I mean, we have assistance for people who need food, resources, that kind of thing. So look us up. We even have some kids clothing. Hopefully we'll have backpacks for school coming up next month. But anyway, look us up. And we're located in Las Vegas, Nevada at 4170 South Decatur, Suite A8. We're off of Flamingo. And what else is there to tell? We'd love to have your service and have you to be a part of our family. Some of the pictures on the walls are the kids, but you see our facility. It's really big. The owners put a lot of imagination into it, so I'm going down and I'm going to go into one of the rooms that we do sessions in. We have an NA program that we are affiliated with if you need NA or AA, substance abuse, that kind of thing. That's our garden or rock garden outside. And this here room, and we have our offices. And of course, we have a kitchen back here. So call us, okay? And my name is Kim. Bye-bye.